Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 385. View changes in documentation. The official Power Pages documentation is constantly evolving. In general, this is a good thing. The product changes, and so should the documentation. But sometimes it can leave you feeling like you're crazy. You're sure you saw something different last week. Thankfully, you can easily see the full details of what has changed. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The Power Pages documentation is located on Microsoft Learn, which is powered by GitHub. The content of the page is stored as a Markdown file in a Git repository. To see the page source in GitHub, click the ellipsis above and to the right of the content, and click Edit. This opens the Markdown for that page in GitHub. Now click the History button to see the specific commits that have the details of how that page has changed over the years. Another great way to stay up to date on what is changing in the documentation is to check out the regular What's New in Power Platform blog posts on the Power Platform blog. These posts highlight new features in the platform and also includes a list of updated documentation and training courses. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 385 on view changes in documentation useful.